It's chocolate.
Chocolate. Caramel. Score. Crackle. Now let's go. Which one?
So what do we need to make it first, guys?
One cookie.
Crackers.
Crackers.
And what are you gonna do with the crackers?
Line them up. Line them up.
I know, I put it on wax paper. Maybe, you know what? Maybe we won't put it on, I don't know. On parchment paper. I was hoping it would stay flat. But it doesn't seem to be going. So let me see here. Let me see. Okay, 1 minute. Let me do something different.
Instead of this
Parchment paper.
we use tinfoil. And now
And what do we do to the tinfoil?
put butter on it so they don't stick to it.
And we use the tinfoil. That way it's easier to just lift it out when it's hard. Yeah.
I'm just gonna rinse.
And you use about 1 stack of saltine crackers.
Ow.
Now what I've got, the pack I have is just
Angel,
like
I'm using that.
a half a box, so we're using the 2.
Mom, I'm just on the
Okay, let Davey get up there and do some of his crackers.
This is just one of mine.
Yeah.
Wait, my other one.
Now we might not use all of it because our pan is a little small.
Maybe after can we eat these?
Mm-hmm.
I don't like cooked crackers. I want to eat one right now. Angel, you have more cookies.
Okay.
Put some more.
They're crackers. Just a minute. You can have your turn, and then Angel can get up there in a minute.
On the stool.
In a minute. Okay.
This is a beautiful shirt.
Okay, let me see for a minute, Davey. Let me see how many.
Angel did these ones.
Yes. But I'm trying to. Can I see a cracker, please? I'm trying to see how many rows we can get. Okay, we can get. Okay, you can do. Okay, put just a couple more.
Wait, I don't know.
Just one more. Okay. That's good. Now it's Angel's turn.
She ate some. She can eat some more.
That's enough. It's Angel's turn.
Angel can just eat these after.
Okay. Is that easy to do? Put the crackers down?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So look, I put them like this.
Yeah. So it really does depend on the size. I didn't have just like a cookie sheet, so I'm using my pan.
Oh.
I put that there for a reason. Silly girl. That's fine. That's fine. Just.
Yeah. I need to open this more. I need to open this more because
Okay. Let's see what you got going on here.
Oh, she can do a couple more. I'm almost done.
And then when we're done this, what we have to do is make the candy caramel, and it's with brown sugar.
Ugh. I can make more room by taking this piece off.
Yeah. No, I'm gonna adjust all that. All right, so now that that's done, we gotta start cooking the. What do we gotta cook? We gotta cook the brown sugar.
The brown sugar, and the butter,
Yeah.
and the chocolate.
That's after, yep.
We adjust some of our recipe cookies. Now we move on to the butter. So we need 3 of these.
Normally we would need only 1 cup of butter, but we like the caramel, right?
Yeah.
That's Davey's favorite part. So we have adjusted the recipe a bit, and we are going to make a little bit more than the 1 cup. We'll make roughly 1.5 cups.
Jimmy might eat all the caramel. I will. Oh no.
Just scoop it all in there, David.
Guys, you might sneak at nighttime and you might look at the fridge and or maybe Be some in here. Great, no, sleeping. Oh, who knows where. And then Mom might wake up. Look, Mom, that looks like poops inside. Look at the butter.
Yeah.
It has a swirl.
It has a swirl, yes.
It's so cool. It looks like a kiss your brain you eat. Oh, you don't poop. That's cool.
If you use actual butter, it's a little bit easier. But we did not. We decided we were going to make this, and we do not have butter. We have margarine.
Wait, what is this?
It's margarine. If we had butter, we could have just grabbed out 2 sticks or 3 sticks, and we would have been good to go.
What is this butter?
It's butter. It's just different, David.
There's different names
Yeah,
for
different.
it?
Yes.
But it is not butter. It is butter, but it's called margarine.
Yeah.
I know that because we learned about butter.
Did you?
Yeah.
What did you learn?
Like, butter is sometimes a different name. And
Put more in there.
sometimes a different taste.
Yes.
That's all
Butter.
what we learned.
Yes. Butter has a totally different taste than margarine.
Yeah. Margarine tastes
Butter.
yummy.
So does butter.
Mm.
Okay, so that one's empty. Angel, you want to put that one in the sink for Mama? That way it's not in the
We
way.
always use it sometimes for soup. It feels like soap.
Okay. It's very smooth, yeah.
Going for the swirl. He's going for the swirl. Swirl's always first. Oh, I wanted to.
Okay. I'm going to put that into the pot. 1 minute.
We're having the oven heat at 325.
Yeah, we got the oven heating
Now it's my turn.
at 325. No,
You
David.
never ever use a knife.
No, you don't have
for
to
this.
scrape it off, Davy.
You have to ask a parent.
That's right. So I don't know what Davy thinks he's doing.
It's really dangerous. You might cut yourself.
Yeah, there's no reason for you to touch a knife.
Most time when I had a thing around me, I cut it and I cut myself.
Hmm.
It really hurted.
Okay, I'm going to help Davy with the butter.
I don't know how much
There.
amount you need.
I know I need a lot amount. When you know you need a lot, you can scoop a lot. Yep. Okay, that's good. Give it to Mama.
That fast, right?
Yeah.
Big chunks don't want to come out.
It don't want to come out. All right, last one.
Then brown sugar.
Already done.
Almost.
Brown sugar. Brown sugar tastes like
Okay,
tastes so good, and it tastes like my favorite.
okay, that's good. We don't need any more. We are good.
Nah.
Just leave that there.
Lick it.
All right, look at all this butter.
Let me see. Sorry. Now we're doing the brown sugar.
3 or 4 scoops. Look at this small. Look at that small caramel right next to it.
Next time, make sure they're full, honey. Okay, yep, get some more.
We can dump the whole thing.
That's good. I'll
Dump the
adjust
whole
it. That's fine.
3 or 4.
There. Now I
Yeah,
know.
we need more. Oh, yeah.
4 or 3.
Yummy.
I got more brown sugar if we need it. Okay, that's 3. Just dump the bag in it. Okay.
Wait, there's a little bit. We have to heat up the oven for like 10
We got to melt our butter and sugar. And I gotta stir it for, once it starts to boil, for how long?
5 to 10 minutes.
5 minutes.
I'm gonna play hockey.
Alright, let's check this out.
Can I help? Oh yeah, it's hot.
Yeah, no, you gotta stay back. This is the hot part.
Hey, there's a bruise on it. Well, it already looked good.
Oh, I know.
How's it melting so fast?
Yes, it is.
We're using the chocolate.
Mm. So I am just waiting for it to boil. It's starting to boil. Once it really boils, then I gotta stir it for 5 minutes.
The brown sugar got baked in the oven. No, on the oven. And now we're gonna
pour it on the crackers.
pour it on the crackers and put them in the oven.
For how long?
8
minutes?
8 minutes.
Alright, so let's get this poured
My
on there.
flute.
Now we're pouring it on the cookie.
Yeah,
I mean
brown
crackers.
It looks like caramel, right?
Mhm.
We just need it.
It's
Stay
the
back
brown
because
sugar
it is very hot.
squirt.
Oh.
Chocolate.
When it's baking in the oven, we're gonna bake
Melt the chocolate.
melt the chocolate.
We got white
Then-
chocolate.
Then we're gonna put these on.
Stay back.
These are tiny caramel flakes.
And I can't find my double boiler, so
Saucy, Mom.
I gotta just do it this way.
Which
is fine. It is starting to melt. Won't take long. So the chocolate is melted. So I just turned the burner off because the crackers are not quite done in the oven. So as long as I leave it in the water here, it will keep the chocolate soft.
We took the cookies out of the oven, but they're really, really hot. And my mom melted the chocolate, and she put a little bit
in
of
each bowl.
bowl.
And then the rest is there.
And then
We
we're
get to
gonna
eat it with
squirt
cookies.
one drop of food coloring. I got blue.
And I got
Do
green.
1 drop.
Done.
I said 1,
I
but that's
said-
okay.
Oh, sorry, Mama.
I did a big one.
I want to use it.
Okay, David, stir yours up.
Ew.
Hold your bowl and stir it.
Ooh, blue cheese.
Ooh.
Blue cheese.
Blue chocolate, honey.
Yeah. Oh, I'm getting tired. My tummy's hurt.
It looks like blue cheese.
Hope
right?
till it gets like,
Yeah. And then we're going to spread all the white on here. And then we're going to drizzle the colors on there.
What a drizzle mean?
That means I'll just like drip it on there. Okay.
No, I want to stir mine.
Different kind.
It's green.
Mm-hmm. All right, Mommy's going to get spreading and then we'll see what it looks like when it's done.
It's hot. Yeah.
Okay.
My mom is drizzling.
Drizzling all the white chocolate on the crackers.
Can I show them ours?
Yeah.
Look at
Mine,
Angels?
Angel.
and look at my blue chocolate that looks like cheese.
Okay, David.
I'm going to show them how popped it off.
Okay, show
Look
it.
how yummy that looks. It looks like butter.
It does, doesn't it?
Looks like a huge chunk of butter. See that? Like brown sugar on it? But that looks like caramel, right, Mom?
Yep.
But it's actually brown sugar.
Mm-hmm. Can you see it?
Yep. That looks like delicious, man. That looks like mayonnaise.
We'll
Wait.
take the green.
Look how green looks. It looks like something like weird. It looks like some like
Vommy? Zombie
It
skin?
looks like some zombie, like crocodile skin got peeled off,
Yeah.
like a scale. It's like a pond water drizzle.
Mm-hmm.
It's like
Actually,
a
it
raining.
looks like a dinosaur fossil skin.
Now it's blue time. Blue's gonna cover. Water's gonna cover the whole earth.
It looks like the earth.
But
White.
in Angel's is grass.
Yeah, and it's water.
Mm-hmm.
In
If
the
you do it at Christmas time, you can make Christmas colors. If you do it for Easter, Easter colors. Halloween can be Halloween colors.
That's so scary.
look how yummy and
Okay.
I just tried to hug
Okay.
it.
Look, watch. Are you watching? And then I just kind of.
yeah. Look at that huge water chunk. Water beats everything, right?
Mm-hmm.
But ice beats water. Lava beats ice, but water beats
Okay.
lava.
Now,
Water
we
beats
leave it
grass.
until it hardens and dries.
It hurts. It is, and it's so good. Look. Got your channel, the bell button, the cage bell, and hit the huge thumbs up. Bye guys. Hope you liked our video today. See you tomorrow.
And we will leave the recipe in the description down below. We hope you liked our video, because it's delicious.